Hello from the Storm Center, KELOLAND TV. This is KELO Weather Now, and here is a look at Great Bear. We had some snow.
Yeah, guys, so it's currently blizzarding in South Dakota. Okay, so you think within, or by 3 o'clock we can get together and do something then?
Yeah. Do you want to?
Well, hello!
Hola.
Oh, sorry.
Hold on a second.
Should've got that on the phone. Somebody hold on to this. Oh. Alright, boyos.
How do we want to do this? Flip it over.
Attaboy.
Okay, you got the top?
I don't know.
Damn it.
Right about your house. Nothing like a good old road trip with the boys.
Just gonna send it.
Okay, Ryan. I'll give you 5 minutes.
Jack off?
Yep. God damn it, Joel, stop farting.
It sounds like I'm not.
You know what? Farting is a natural human sensation, biological function. So, we gotta grow up, okay, Ryan? Yeah. Yeah.
That's my bad.
Yeah.
It's on me, guys.
Yep, so we're out here at our local ski hill, and the cool thing is they're actually blowing snow as it's snowing. We'll be open in no time. No time. Alright, let's go yakking.
Give me an idea though.
Solution number 2, we're gonna go ahead, more bunches on it. That is something everyone has to do in their life. Right? Should we call it a wrap or what? Well, say so myself, pretty successful day. Keep your eyes out for the end of the year video coming out soon. Share it, like this channel, or like this video. If you like this content, subscribe, comment, and all the above. Till then,